So this is the location that we're going to do for July's month with the model Piper, and we have a 1950s Ford like F350 truck. I think that's the model. I'm not a car guy. 250. There we go.
I saw it.
So we had her in a country girl outfit, and it was kind of in the middle of the day, so we had kind of like a really hard sunlight coming from one side. So what I did was I set up a 300-watt bulb strobe on a tripod with 2 sandbags, and we used a 4-foot by 4-foot Octagon from Westcott, and we shot that, and we did shots of her sitting on the back of the truck with the truck bed open, with her sitting with her butt kind of cheeks hanging off. And then we moved up the truck, and we kind of went in the cab, and we did some shots, and I brought this softbox like really close to her. But we also had like this little silver dish inside that kind of made the light kind of hard to kind of match the hard light that's coming from the outside. So that was a really cool shot. I was really stoked the way it came out, and I hope you enjoy that one.